What you think you know about solar and commercial properties is outdated. In the past, commercial real estate investors and REITs had limited incentives to adopt solar solutions for their properties. But now, REITs are opting for new, seamless, and profitable ways to boost NOI with solar. Let's dive into its benefits and the reason why REITs are choosing solar today. The first reason REITs are increasingly turning to solar is that it's now easier than ever to generate passive income. Traditionally, REITs have been constrained by solar ownership models that rely on offsetting on-site energy consumption, an approach that is less attractive when tenants cover their own energy bills. Plus, common REIT tax exemptions limit the value of solar tax incentives. However, new project structures remove these concerns entirely. As solar hosts, REITs and commercial properties can gain financial benefits simply by leasing their underutilized rooftop space to a solar developer like Pivot. This instantly transforms an untapped asset like your roof, parking lot, or open land into a reliable revenue source that boosts net operating income. As a commercial property professional, you might already be familiar with these leasing models because many commercial properties lease out rooftop space to telecom companies to install antennas and related equipment. In this arrangement, your property unlocks a new passive income stream over the long term without requiring any capital expenditure on your part. But unlike telecom installations, rooftop solar offers many other benefits for REITs and commercial property owners, which we'll explain shortly. Think of this as solar as your tenant. This innovative model directly increases your NOI by generating steady rental revenue for around 20 years while eliminating traditional complexities and costs associated with solar ownership. Gone are the complexities of navigating solar for your tenant, concerns about recouping your investment, and even system upkeep. Our team at Pivot manages and maintains the system, sending the energy directly into the grid and ensuring that your building's electrical systems and tenant operations remain unaffected. We'll also ensure your roof is inspected pre and post install and your warranty is upheld. Working with a turnkey developer like Pivot allows you to sit back and collect checks from your new favorite tenant, solar. Also, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our next video where we go more into depth on specific ways to monetize your properties with solar. Beyond immediate financial advantages and consistent passive income that boosts your NOI, incorporating solar energy solutions enhances your property's desirability and long-term value, commanding higher rents or resale value. For example, many commercial properties lease out their rooftop space to telecom companies, where the equipment they install does not draw positive attention from tenants, if they notice at all. However, solar-equipped commercial real estate constantly attracts high-quality tenants who prioritize sustainability. Solar panels are visible and are marketing the building for you. As a bonus, if your current tenants appreciate sustainability efforts, the on-site solar project can provide them the opportunity to subscribe to clean energy too. As a host site for community solar, you can proudly tout your sustainability differentiator and unique contributions to the communities you operate in, including your very own tenants. Beyond this, solar installations provide your property with a pathway to prestigious sustainability certifications, such as LEED or Energy Star. Buildings with these green certifications are recognized for their environmental efficiency and command premium rents from tenants willing to invest more in sustainable spaces. It also allows REITs to comply with local building performance standards, like Energize Denver. As a result, your property's marketability, occupancy rates, and overall asset value can improve. In short, solar positions your property strategically in the marketplace, aligning with the growing demand for sustainable real estate. If you're interested in learning more about LEED certification or how to acquire it, check out this video when you're done here. REITs benefit from the speed and simplicity of partnering with Pivot Energy. Our streamlined process allows rooftop solar projects to move from concept to operation, generally within 12 to 24 months. And if that seems like a long time, REITs will be pleased to know that Pivot begins paying the lease fee far in advance of the solar project coming online. That's a big reason why REITs are choosing Pivot. We ensure you receive quick, passive returns without the lengthy wait or operational complexities of traditional solar deployment. In addition to financial gains and increased property values, solar installations also minimize operational risk for commercial properties. Studies have found that solar panels provide significant protection to property roofs, effectively reducing deterioration and extending roof lifespan. You can learn more about this in this video. Solar installations reduce long-term maintenance requirements and protect the underlying assets by shielding roofs from direct sunlight, weather, and environmental wear and tear. Furthermore, partnering with an experienced solar developer like Pivot alleviates the ongoing maintenance concerns. Under a roof lease, Pivot assumes full responsibility for solar system upkeep, repairs, and performance management, ensuring the technology remains worry-free throughout its lifespan. By combining pure profit from the solar system with low hassle and predictable property performance, Pivot gives REITs peace of mind. Of course, we couldn't discuss the advantages of solar energy for REITs without highlighting its substantial contributions to meeting your sustainability goals. Solar solutions help you achieve your corporate sustainability goals and meet emerging regulatory requirements, boosting your ESG performance. By adopting solar energy positions your REIT strategically as a sustainability leader, reinforcing your company's reputation and long-term resilience in the marketplace. For example, each year, your trade association, NIREIT, highlights ESG leaders via its Leaders in the Light award. At Pivot, we support portfolio managers by identifying the optimal solar strategies tailored to your unique circumstances. Our expert team provides comprehensive guidance on available incentives, optimal lease structures, and pricing strategies, ensuring you maximize the value of your solar project. We take pride in our extensive track record of successfully executing solar installations at scale across the United States. We're always eager to share examples of our solar work with similar clients, demonstrating tangible financial results. If you're interested in boosting NOI with solar, please reach out to me directly at the email listed below or visit pivotenergy.net. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter. The link is in the description. Thank you, and we look forward to partnering with you soon.